past, we used to think of a process, decompose it, then you take the steps and you say, well, maybe I can optimize a process, maybe I can automate a process, maybe I can take a piece of the process out completely. And you get 10, 15% productivity and you're really happy about it. Now you can get over 50, 60, 70% improvement. When you're talking that type of productivity gain, it actually changes the conversation. Rather than a process improvement, it becomes a, why do I even have this in the first place?
When you contemplate what your use case is, when you contemplate what kind of integrity your artificial intelligence outcome requires, then you can design those use cases using the proper tools. And so I'm not saying that large language models are bad, but if I've got a ball-peen hammer and a 25-pound sledgehammer, I want to take the right tool out for the job.
I think that there's just an enormous place for agents with the right controls to do a lot of that sort of repetitive analysis that, frankly, analysts today, could spend better time doing more productive work that's actually insightful and use the human in the loop with the agent.
For us, the most important thing is create a value chain for yourself. Understand where the value is, and then, as my chief revenue officer would say, create a hurricane effect. Build on it. Once you have the first win, everybody likes to see a win. Make sure that you can actually pull the other people along. It's a cultural change. Pull the other people along, because when they start seeing success being part of somebody else's success, you will see the magical effect.
The best way that we know how to remove bias from data is to get culturally and linguistically nuanced data. So a small language model would allow you to, for example, read the difference in the way people speak in Southern Alabama is different than the way they speak in New York City.
Do not fear AI. I mean, look, this is the most remarkable invention of our lifetime. And the more people who embrace it with innovative ideas, new ways to do things, the better it's going to be.